Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjevan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Ending Jackfruit month on a sweet note. Pathalis are a favorite of GSVs. There are so many varieties and so many methods of making them. In Kerala, banana leaf is used for steaming, while in areas around Mangalore, turmeric leaf is popular. Both give their own distinct flavors to the pathali. Here I've got a good variety of ripe jackfruit. As shown in previous videos, remove the core and then remove the bulbs. Remove the seeds and the rags surrounding it. Here is 1 cup of raw rice to be soaked in water for 4 hours. 1 cup of grated coconut. These two are to be grinded together. You may also use rice flour instead of soaking rice and add directly to the ground coconut. Here is about 2 cups of jackfruit bulbs and 1 cup of jaggery powder. Instead of this, you can use Ponsavarti or jackfruit preserve. Refer to our earlier video for the recipe. First, grind the bulbs to a smooth paste without adding water. Now add the jaggery and grind again. Move the paste to a bowl and add a pinch of salt and the rice flour slowly and mix thoroughly to a smooth, thick consistency. Now ready the washed and cleaned banana leaves in this size. You can either cure them, that is, hold them over a flame for a few seconds so that they become soft, or use them as such. Lay them down flat and spoon out the mixture. Spread it out evenly, then fold to cover them completely. Do likewise with the rest of the batter. Keep a steamer ready with water boiling. Stack the folded leaves in the steamer and steam for about 20 minutes or until done. You can also make stuffed pathalis. Grind only the rice to a smooth thick paste, adding a pinch of salt. Spread the rice batter with your hands on the banana leaf in a small circle. You can also use a batter made with rice flour and hot water. Place a preserve or a mixture of coconut and finely chopped bulbs in the center. Fold the banana leaf and steam. Now carefully remove when a little cooler. Serve with dollops of ghee on top. Enjoy as a snack or with your lunch or any time you please. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.